Welcome! In today's video, we're going to quickly show you how to register your mobile number on Castcle and claim your 10Cast Register airdrop. The airdrop is only available while supplies last. First, from your Castcle feed, click the three lines in the top right to access your settings. Next, click the Account button, followed by the Mobile Number button. If you haven't registered yet, it should still say Unregistered. Here, you can begin by selecting your country code. For the US, we should search U.S.A. Now, enter your mobile number and click Confirm. This brings up the confirmation screen. Check your SMS messages. You should have received a 6-digit code from Castcle. Enter the code here and confirm it to verify your mobile number. If successful, you should see your number appear on the settings page. Return to your feed and you can select the wallet icon to check your Cast balance. When the process is complete, 10Cast will appear in your wallet. Thank you for registering. You can earn another 10Cast for each friend who creates a Castcle account using your referral link and then successfully registers their own mobile number. Just scroll down to find your referral link, copy it by clicking the Copy button, and share it with your friends.